Jasmine asked, "Why do I have to have so many dreams about this?" Her ancestor replied, "Because years ago, I was the one who guided you to take an African ancestry DNA test so that you can find out that you are an Igbo Nigerian. I did that so that you could discover who you really are and you could give your child an Igbo name." So then, Jasmine said, "Okay, could you tell me some more Igbo names having to do with having God's grace and mercy in your life?" Her ancestor said, "Yes, I will reveal 3 more names to you." And then a blinding flashing light suddenly whisked her away. Her ancestor said the first name is Ihiomachuku. So then Jasmine asked, "And what does that name mean?"